Hello guys, what's up and welcome back. This is the most important lecture of the Chatbot series because in this lecture I'm gonna tell you that what are the modules we are going to use in the Chatbot and how to download them. Okay, here I have write something for you, the modules we require to build a chatbot. So you have to download and install Python 3.7. Yes, it's bad news for you if you're using the latest version of Python, because I was using the latest version of Python. For this chatbot I have to uninstall that version and I have to install this Python 3.7 because Python 3.7 is quite comfortable while building this chatbot, and otherwise you might face some problems in building a chatbot. And second good thing in Python 3.7 is they offer you an built-in Tkinter module. You don't have to install Tkinter module while you are working with Python 3.7. And other than that, you have to install and download three things, which are Chatbot, Chatbot Corpus, and Python SX3. Okay guys, now you have to jump into the folder where your Python is installed. Python 3.7 is installed. So let's jump into it. Many of the people knew that where their Python is installed, but most of the people or some of the people also don't know that where their Python folder is installed. So let me show you. I am in the C drive, and here I am clicking on the users and then on the account, and now click on your user account on this PC or username. So I am using this one, so this is mine. And now just find about the app data. This is the app data. Okay, now click on the app data and now click on the locals. This is the local. Click on programs, find programs. Okay, where are the programs? Click on programs, click on Python, and this is the folder. Okay, after finding this Python 3.7 click on scripts. So basically the script folder is the folder where you can install your modules. So after reaching this folder, just press shift button and then right click. As you press shift button plus right click, you can see here open PowerShell window. Okay, now I'm using the pip command to install all these libraries. So I'm writing here pip install chatbot. But let me tell you one thing, because I have already installed all these libraries, so it will take few seconds or just a second to install it. But in your case it will take few seconds or a minute to install all these libraries. So don't get panic and just click on it. As you can see here, requirement already satisfied. Now we have to install pip install chatbot _ corpus. It is already installed in my PC, so requirement already satisfied. Okay guys, now we are going to install the last module, which is Python SX3. So come here and write pip install Python SX3 and equal to 2.71. This is the version of Python SX3, and if you want to install another version of Python SX3, so you can install it. So just press enter. So as you can see here, I have already installed pyttsx3 2.90, but I have, right here 2.71, so they uninstalled it automatically and installed the pyttsx3 2.71. So but it was already, requirement already satisfied. So this is how we can install, pyttsx3 and all the modules. So